Alright, we're in the battle bus. If any one of y'all guys plays the song,
we're going to brutal.
We're going to breakwater. It is now a new rule. If you play a copyrighted track, you're stupid.
You're in.
Yeah, but he's more stupid now. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he now? Where is he now? Where did he come from? Where did he go? I swear if he's dead. Heavy shotgun.
Where did you go? You come from Fortnite.
Heavy shotgun from Fortnite.
Where did you take my kill when there's a guy right next to me?
Gunfire. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. This is it. This is my final bow. No.
What can I do for you?
I'll take your entire stock!
Wow, calm down, bro. Just explain what you do.
It's about drive, it's about power.
Powers, what you were looking for? Do you have enough?
Okay.
Up the spot. You should not wait to go.
Okay, bye!
I've done everything I can. This
Shut your
is your... Reality 221 found. Engaging landing protocol.
Hello!
Landing protocol error has occurred.
Wait, what?
Prepare for soft reboot.
I got a shockwave and explode. Bro.
Dang, kid. Also, there's like 50. Bro. Okay, so apparently in the Fortnite canon, the reason when you get rebooted, it's like a bright light, it's because you come straight from heaven. You're like, oh, they just kick you out. They kick you out like that.
Are we sure that the AI we found wasn't like a AI that goes to different spots every?
No, he's always here. I think he's just disabled sometimes.
Oh no.
It's me, Goofy.
Oh yeah, wait, did I ever tell? No, do you remember those thick middle school doors?
Wait, were you in a jail?
Did you go to a prison?
No, like thick middle school doors. Let's just say I was talking to someone I knew, and I wasn't facing the way the doors were.
And
So he doesn't
you ran
decide to tell
slammed.
me.
Bro, you slammed into it, didn't you?
He didn't decide to tell me that it was open, so I basically shoulder checked the door.
Hi, bro. Vibe check.
Oh, no. But listen, I didn't feel any pain. I just shoulder checked the crap out of the door.
Oh, okay.
One of my friends nailed his forehead.
I also
the
may or
border
may
one.
not have bruised the edge of my ear.
How are you this bad at walking? It's literally 1 foot in front of the other. It's the first thing you learn.
Yeah, at least I didn't hit my direct face. I hit my right shoulder perfectly into it. Gibby!
Did you know that
Give it.
side double?
Oh, by the way, I didn't get my first augment.
Whoa!
Yeah, I didn't get that.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
That's the gas house.
Yeah, that's
Reno, you remember when we put like 20 gas cans in a trunk?
Oh yeah, I remember.
You didn't do that.
You got shot instantly.
Oh yeah, sorry, no, that was
come from
still
a bar. Hey, can I shockwave my
Ninjago. You can. The
Hey,
first
Reno,
masters of
tomorrow,
spinjutsu. Blah blah blah. Something
Reno,
ninja.
tomorrow, do you want me- Thank you. I thought, yeah, that's what I thought.
I nailed my nutsack into a door.
I thought I got shot and I was about to panic.
Left.
Hold it! No, everyone
Nailed my
quiet.
nutsack
You
in
just
the door.
what, Lucas?
I said I nailed my nutsack to a door and I only have 3 left.
3! That has the same energy as I slammed my penis in the car door.
On the motorcycle, I hit a tree and a
Bro,
fine
if
cone
you
nailed it.
ever meet a person who has actually
company.
themselves,
Why would you push me towards them?
Called trying to sit.
bro, burst.
Monkey! It's a monkey!
do
It's
it
a
all
monkey!
For real? Are you being legitimately? Die.
Other one's right under me.
I did help.
Guys, on this idea, space mommy numbers.
Shut. Just stop speaking. You've lost the speaking privileges. You no longer have the speaking stick.
Hey, shut up.
You don't have the speaking. You don't have it anymore. Master Chief from the hit game Fortnite. I got it. Hit a clip. I hit a clip. I hit a clip. Ooh.
Nice
In the
clip.
bushes.
Karma is so much karma. So much karma.
I love how no one noticed that I was sitting there until he just starts absolutely
Someone please don't play Snap. I swear to God.
I didn't notice.
Oh my God. 50. I have 50. I hate
Reno!
last one. Aiden, come here and res me, my brother. If you... Hi, I missed.
Nice aim, retard.
Nice aim, stupid. Are you kidding me?
Why me?
Oh wait,
Why
no, I'm
am
actually
I
gonna
the
die.
one
I'm actually gonna die. I'm actually going to die.
Also, I think they re-enabled team damage whenever they're down. Thank you. That absolutely did nothing though.
You did nothing. You are no help whatsoever. The psychopath logic. You should commit murder. I shouldn't. You should. Okay.
You're behind us.
The barreled. The barrel. Look at her. The barrel.
What you need?
Oh, yo, look!
We don't get time for this.
Right there!
It's an endangered species right there. Done it down.
I'm
Literally
already
got a shot
like
flash.
halfway through storm behind me.
Yeah.
Oh, you just slid out of my boat.
Mr.
You're in
Beast.
a circle and you're sliding out of my boat.
Everyone up. Everyone up. I'm good, actually. That was a joke. Oh, Christ. Oh, God. Where am I being taken? No. Wait. No. I don't want to go that way. No. Oh, what is this? Ice Age?
22?
He's on the left. He's on the left.
Okay.
Wow, there's just a team.
There is just a team up on that hill.
I hit him with
There's an
every die.
endangered... There's an... Ow! Oh, help! Not again! Hey, bro, I'm back from the Ice Age. The hidden movie. Get off of that roof. Get off of that roof, sir.
Prepare thyself.
Going to hit another clip. Oh, I'm going to hit death. Oh,
Getting shot at still.
don't worry. I can heal myself, Lucas. I'll be fine. Oh, he's dead. He won't be
Hey,
fine.
literally a guy
Let's
right
do one more
here.
time. Stop being bad at the game and
Good.
play.
Stop being dying. Stop doing the die, okay? It's not fun. It's not fun. I know from experience it's not fun. I'm coming back.
Hello, comrade.
Look what is he?
Dude, there's literally a there's a medkit right here.
I could care less.
Careless.
Killing the llama.
Nice.
That's why I ran behind y'all, is I heard a llama, so I killed the llama.
Oh, we saw the llama. We just ignored it. Bro, it's like
Kind of a buzzer, not
One with the explosive arrow, it shows it where.
Is that an Ogren or...
Oh, there's people on our northeast 30.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't use directions! Who's using directions?
75. I hit him. He's cracked. He's one bullet. He's
Guys,
dead.
I don't use directions, I use bullets.
I don't use directions, I just use the sound of a gun. He's dead! Oh, my game is lagging. His teammate's right
Hit him
there.
again.
I'm
Another one's dead. Right on the hill.
Oh, I hit him. He in the storm. No, he not. But he about to be.
Another one.
No, I don't like the way your face looks. You looked at me funny.
I'm a robot.
Your robot looking at me
Another,
funny.
another.
We're just hunting everyone down. Oh, I'm here with you. I should probably not. The human body has over 130 bones. That's not how many there are, but that's a number, alright.
I'm kind of far away
He
from
was in like a monster truck thing, and an old lady, and a lady broke like 90 something bones. And the community just goes, yeah, but they weren't all hers. She had a dog.
Oh well. If we see a dog, can we pet it before we...
I got some popsicles in my basement.
Oh, let me get him. I got him.
Is he still alive?
Oh, okay. Got a safety
Shoot him, the
invincible,
shield.
because like every time I'm shooting him, I'm hitting the tree instead.
Up, jump in. Kill him with a headshot too.
Not like
Guys, oh god, I can move. I'm moving.
What are you doing?
I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird.
No! Shut up before I stab you.
Unlimited power!
I'm about to end this man's whole career.